Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to another one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at 3 potential altcoins to buy in the month of October. Right now, in the past 24 hours, the market has been on fire. We are booming on the green side right here. It is up about 9.28%. Everything is continuing to go higher and higher. We're seeing a very bullish momentum going into the weekend here. Our top gainers in the past 24 hours is going to be Axie Infinity here, which is, making a huge push on higher. Right now, it is trading at around $109 per coin. It is up about 46% just in the past 24 hours. It was trading at $74 just 24 hours ago, and now it's continuing to boom. As you guys can see, it's just continuing to go higher and higher, destroying those all-time highs that we previously had here at $92. Market cap at over 6.6 billion right now, and it's continuing to go higher and higher. Our highest volume is going to be like usual Bitcoin volume over 42.5 billion, which is one of the highest I've seen in a while. So Bitcoin is trading at 48,000 already. It's up almost 10%. Ethereum almost up 10% as well at $3,300 per coin. Cardano's up over 6% almost. Binance Coin 8.8%. Ripple, we're seeing at almost 9%. Solana at 13.8%. All these other altcoins, Polkadot 11%, Dogecoin 8%, Uniswap 9% right there. Everything else, Chainlink 10%, all these other altcoins down here up about 10% or so, with some even, higher, like we said, like Axie Infinity down here, Filecoin 22% or so. So things are booming right now, and things are going up very quickly. These are the things that we always talk about. As Bitcoin and Ethereum boom on higher, the large market cap coins, these smaller market cap coins tend to go up a lot even higher. So when you see Bitcoin up 10%, don't be surprised to see these altcoins up 20, 30, 40, 50% or so in a matter of the same time period, because they tend to push on higher with less volume. So this is definitely interesting now, guys. And if this is interesting you, let's get into it. Sit down, relax, and let's take a look at this video. Smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 50 plus likes in this video. I know you guys can do it. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, guys, if you want to sign up for Webull, get you 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300. Links come in the description for that. Now let's get into it. So the first altcoin on this list is going to be Chainlink, also known as Link. So this one is up about, right here in the past 24 hours, 10.4%, trading at $23. Now it's at $26.17. In the past week, we're up 2.9%. Past month, down only about 1.96%. So we're making a comeback. Here in the past year, we're up over 171%. So this altcoin was trading at $9 last October. We hit highs here in May at 53, pulled back down all the way to lows of 13, and we've made over 100% upside, even higher at one point here in September from the low to the high. Market cap currently on this coin, 11.9 billion. Volume, as you guys can see, is about 36% higher than usual at 1.3 billion right there. Typical hold time is 68 days on this one. It is ranked at number 11 coin. The trading activity right now is 61% buy, 39% sell. Chainlink is an Ethereum token that powers the Chainlink decentralized Oracle network. This network allows the smart contracts on Ethereum to securely connect to external data sources, APIs, and payment systems. How does all this work? Well, Chainlink was designed to incentivize a global network of computers to provide accurate data to Chainlink's oracles. There are many oracles operating today, including ones that provide data or price data from a wide range of assets, weather data, and location data. Now, another thing to keep in mind, in order to become a node and start providing data to Chainlink oracles, holders must stake Link tokens into a smart contract to act as an incentive against misbehaving or submitting false data to the network, which is obviously a good thing, because that way you're prevented from doing bad things that people do not want to see. So that is a good thing about Chainlink right there. Now, like we said, we are making a huge move here in the past 24 hours, but we're still far away from the all-time highs. All-time highs here at $53. We have about 100% upside just to get back to those all-time highs, which is something we love to see, because there's plenty of potential for us in the future to continue to go on higher, and we're definitely fans of that. With the market cap at 11.9 billion, this coin definitely has a lot more room to grow in the future. I would not be surprised in the next 5, 10, 15, or 20 years for this coin to continue to push on higher and higher. So Chainlink is going to be our first coin on the list. Second coin is going to be Algorand, so Algo right here. This one, in the past 24 hours, we are up 8.6% from lows of 160 here. Now we're trading at 176. In the past week, we're down about 12% or so. In the past month, we're up over 57% with highs here at 255. So we're going to be looking forward to these levels once again in October right here. So in the past year, we're up over 425%, as it was trading at 32 cents last October, hitting highs in February at 168, once again hitting those same highs in April, trying to break through, couldn't break through, pulled back down with the rest of the market, all the way down to about 70 cents actually at one point in July. and then we skyrocketed from 70 cents all the way to 250, which is about a 200%, upside or even higher there from there. So that was a nice little movement with a little bit of a pullback now, obviously, as the market kind of cooled off in September, end of September, and now we're seeing another uptrend. So this is a positive sign. 10.6 billion currently. Volume, as you can see, is about 25% higher than usual. Typical hold time is 46 days. Trading activity, 68% buy, 32% sell, which is a good thing, and it's ranked the number 13 coin right now. Algorand is a cryptocurrency and blockchain protocol that aims to be simultaneously scalable, secure, and decentralized. It uses the consensus algorithm called pure proof of stakes. How does this work? Well, Algorand nodes reach a consensus about what should appear in the blockchain through a process called PPOS, which uses a staking system, to verify new transactions and provide new crypto tokens. Algorand network participants are able to stake some of their algo in exchange for the chance to be randomly selected to propose a new block of a verified transaction. The winner is awarded more algo coins. So keep in mind, PPOS systems like Algorand are more efficient than proof of work blockchains like Bitcoin in terms of electricity consumption, because they don't rely on thousands of miners spending an energy to solve cryptographic puzzles for the chance to win a block reward and earn transaction fees. So obviously that is something that is a positive compared to Bitcoin, because they don't have to worry about all that electricity consumption, and you can get a reward, I guess, in an easier way. So that's definitely one of those positive things with Algorand right now, and this coin has been gaining a lot of steam in the past few months, and that's exactly what it's causing it to have this push on higher here in August, September time period. We're seeing these huge levels of momentum, which is a positive thing, and I believe that in October we could definitely continue this momentum on higher. So Algorand is going to be our second altcoin on the list, and then last but not least, coming in at the number 3 spot on this list is going to be Filecoin FIL. So this one, all three of these coins are very similar to each other because they're all around the 8 to 10 billion market cap. So under 10 billion market cap pretty much. Right now, in the past 24 hours, Filecoin is on fire. This was trading at $59 just here 24 hours ago. Now we're at $72, up over 22%, which is a huge move in 24 hours. Those are gains that in the stock market you wouldn't see for about a year or two potentially on average. So seeing it happen in 24 hours in the crypto market is insane. That just shows you that there's so much potential in the crypto space, but the volatility is also there. So it can go down or it can go up. You never know what can happen, but when it goes up, it's a beautiful sight. Here in the past week, we were down about 2.89% at lows of $50 at one point. On a 1 month chart, we're down 4.5% with highs here of over $120. And then obviously on the 1 year chart, 231% from $21 here all the way to highs of over $237 in March, with the pullback all the way down to the 40s. And then we obviously saw a 100%, 200% gain here in between July and September with a downtrend. Now we're hoping to consolidate, bounce off of this level, and continue to push on higher. Right now, the market cap, 7.8 billion. Volume is up about 40% higher than usual. Typical hold time is 13 days. It is ranked the number 19 coin with a trading activity at 43% buy, 57% sell. Filecoin is a cryptocurrency that powers the Filecoin network, a decentralized peer-to-peer file storage network that aims to let anyone store, retrieve, and host digital information. FIL tokens are used as a payment for these services and as an economic incentive to ensure files are stored reliably over time. How does all this work? Well, Filecoin aims to provide a faster, cheaper, and more reliably distributed infrastructure for storing and retrieving data. It functions as a marketplace where developers can rent, store space similar to a traditional cloud storage. But instead of trusting one provider with your files, they're split up and reserved by a globally distributed network of computers. So that is a good thing as well. The Filecoin network uses two types of miners: storage miners who store the data, and retrieval, retrieval miners who supply the bandwidth used to retrieve the files. Now, the communication between clients and the network happens via the two types of deals: storage and retrieval deals. Now, in a storage deal, the client chooses a miner to store the data and locks up the funds necessary to pay for the storage. Once the agreement is accepted, the file is transferred and stored by the miner. The miner provides a continuous proof of storage to the chain in order to receive rewards from the funds locked up by the client. If they fail to provide a proof, the miner will get penalized. Now, in a retrieve deal, the client makes a payment to a retrieval miner to extract the data from the network. These deals are executed off-chain using the micropayment channels to reward miners for data retrieval. Now, keep in mind, anyone with a compatible computer can start mining FIL by becoming a storage provider, making their hard drive space available for use by the network in return for rewards. Mining configurations can range from single desktop computers to a large scale server farm like we've seen in the past. So Filecoin is definitely one of those interesting coins in my opinion. Coin that I'm interested in even for the future. So with the 7 billion market cap right now, there's a lot of potential upside, over 200-300% upside, just to get back to these all-time high levels. So an interesting coin that we're going to be watching in the month of October for sure, guys. So all three of these altcoins obviously have some familiars. So it's very familiar to see right there what is going on, and something that we would like to see continue on higher in the month of October. So guys, now we're going to be looking at the rest of the market, see how everything's performing. So first of all, let's look at the meme, guys. Doge trading at 22 cents. Even Doge is actually seeing a little bit of a upside here in the past 24 hours of over 8%, from 20 cents to 22, almost hit 23 at one point actually. So Doge is making a little bit of a comeback, but we're still far away from these highs that we saw here in August at 34 cents or so. We're still trading closer to the lows at 16 or 17 cents with a 29 billion market cap currently on Doge. Now, Bitcoin, this was really an extreme move here in the past 24 hours. Nobody really expected it to go from the 43,000 area to 48,000 pretty much overnight. That was a really, really, surprising thing here. And I think that we're going to gain a lot of bullish momentum in the crypto space because of this, especially if it continues here Saturday morning and Sunday, obviously. In the past month, we're now only, up 2%. We're not in the red, which is a positive thing. On the 1 year chart, we're up 364%. We were at highs here at 52,000, 53. We're almost there once again. So this was a great bounce that we saw right here. The whole China situation, which pulled everything back. That was kind of like a little thing now, buy the dip type situation. Market cap back over 900 billion, 904.9, which is 34% of the crypto market. Trading activity is 65% buy, 35% sell. Bitcoin is looking nice, as well as Ethereum as well. So Ethereum back to 3,300. We were just at 2,900 last night. It's up over 10% in the past week. We're up 4.5%. And then on the 1 month chart, we're actually down about 3.8%, but we're getting back up there, where we were. So this is beautiful to see once again on the 1 year chart, 834% from the bounce of 17 to 4,000 right there. Then we saw a pullback down, 387.4 billion market cap, which is around 15% of the crypto space, 63% buy, 37% sell. Ethereum is looking juicy, just like Bitcoin and the rest of the market, guys. So you guys let me know in the comments below, which cryptocurrency are you currently looking to buy in the month of October? Do you think this bullish market is going to continue into the rest of the month? Is this just the beginning, or it could be a dead cat bounce? Let me know in the comments below. Smash that like button for me, guys. Let's aim for 50 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, if you want to sign up for Webull, get you 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300. Links will be in the description. I'm not a financial advisor, guys, so this is all for entertainment purposes only. Before investing, speak to your financial advisor and do your own due diligence, understanding the risk and reward type situation before you get into the market. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.